Hi everyone, my name is Masato Kajimoto. I'm an associate professor at HKU Journalism at the University of Hong Kong. I believe I have met many of you who are watching this video, but if my face is new to you, it's very nice to meet you. Our collaboration with the Center for News Literacy at Stony Brook started in 2012. So I have been in this field of news literacy education for 9 years now. Um, but lately, what I'm focusing on is teaching fact-checking skills. Um, I have two full semester courses about fact-checking at our university. One is for all the students, regardless of their majors or regardless of their years. So this one is about fact-checking, but I have incorporated many of the concepts of news literacy into the curriculum as well. So this is a hybrid of news literacy slash fact-checking uh, course. I don't have time to discuss the details in this newsletter video, but if you are interested in this kind of approach, please drop me an email. I can share the resources that I developed and also I can share my experience. The other fact-checking course that I teach is for journalism students, especially those who are serious about becoming professional journalists after graduation. For this course, we set up an actual working newsroom on campus, and Monday through Friday, we actually run the newsroom like a professional media outlet. It's student driven. So we have students working Monday through Friday in shifts to monitor social media, check some of the claims that we identified, and produce fact checking stories. We publish students' stories on our platform, and also we have a local news media partner. They take our students' content and also publish our stories on their websites as well. So we do have real news audience in Hong Kong, and therefore we take this project really, really seriously. Um, if you are interested in this sort of vocational training type of approach, again, please let me know. On the research front, I was involved in one big project commissioned by UNESCO. We started in 2019 and we published our findings in 2020. We looked at 5 different countries in Asia, namely Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines, and studied how media literacy has been taught in different countries by different stakeholders. Um, the our findings has already been published by UNESCO as a in the form of a booklet, and I will ask Sam to post a link along with this video so that if you're interested, you can read it. And there are many interesting things I think that you may find interesting, but if I could summarize the findings in one sentence, it's this. Cultural and political sensitivities of talking about politics and critical thinking, questioning the sources of information can be very tricky in some of the Asian countries, especially where press freedom is limited and freedom of expression is not really guaranteed or practiced in reality. So that kind of limitations really felt by teachers trying to teach media literacy in elementary schools and middle schools. You can still discuss those topics maybe at the university level, but it's really hard for ordinary school teachers to do the kind of teaching that we are advocating. Um, so again, I will ask some to post a link. Another research project, well, I do many things, but one of the things that you might be interested is related to WHO. They have introduced this new idea of infodemics, as all of you might know. They're trying to, I mean, at least when I was involved last year over the summer, they were trying to establish this sort of interdisciplinary new discipline called infodemiology, combining medical science, public health communication, misinformation research, media literacy education, and other related areas like psychology. So anyway, I was involved in the early stage of developing this idea of infodemiology as an interdisciplinary project among many different researchers. And recently, WHO published one booklet about how we could move forward. So I was involved in that publication, and we have identified 4 research themes that uh, we can explore. And again, I'll ask Sam to put the link to that publication as well. WHO is always looking for more collaborators and partners. So if you're interested in this, I can also introduce you to their project. Anyway, I will stop here, and hopefully COVID-19 will go away at some point. We can all meet again physically, face to face. I'm really looking forward to the day when we can meet in person. But until then, please take care, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.